Hubei Yineng Boiler Co. Limited is located in Wuchao, Hubei Province, a famous acrobatic town in the world. The company covers an area of more than 300 acres and a production workshop of 80,000 square meters, fixed assets of 150 million yuan, more than 300 employees, more than 120 various types of engineering and technical personnel. The company now holds the Class A boiler manufacturing license issued by the General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection, and Quarantine, the A2 pressure vessel design and manufacturing license, the B3 welding insulated gas cylinder manufacturing license, and has passed the ISO 9001 quality management system certification. Hubei Yineng mainly produces all kinds of oil, gas, coal, biomass and electric heating thermal oil boiler, oil, gas, coal-fired steam boiler, WNS series of oil gas-fired pressurized hot water boiler, WDR series electric heating water steam boiler, vacuum hot water boiler, waste heat boiler, molten salt furnace, Duwar bottles and other pressure vessels. Since Hubei Yineng Boiler Co. Limited has obtained independent import and export operation rights in May 2006, the company's various series of boilers have been exported to many overseas countries, exported to Russia, Southeast Asia and Central Asian countries, the Middle East, South America, Europe, and other countries all over the world, and won a good reputation in the international market. Yineng Boiler has won praises from overseas customers for its good product quality and service life, as well as perfect after-sales service system. Choose Yineng and go to success.